Okay, what I've got to do here is I want to create a platform with wheels for this generator. Yes, it's very dirty. Okay, now this platform is going to include these wheels here, and then there's going to be a handle on the top. Hopefully I can incorporate this handle somehow. Also, I want to use some casters like these. I know they're kind of small, but they're going to work. Now it's hard to tell, but there are two supports under here. One is right here at this point, and the other one is right over here. So I'll measure the distance between those two. It's about 16. First, I want to remove the nails on this board. Sometimes they just break off because it's a very old board. Not too worried about the condition of it. This board is going to be 18 wide and 16 long. Let's put an L and a W in there. I believe this is walnut, so I don't want to use this one. I want to join these two pieces of wood, so I'm going to put one biscuit here. I don't want it too close to the edge because these are number 20s, which are the biggest ones. So they're about maybe 2 inches from the edge. Doesn't matter how far it is. The next one is going to be down here, and then I want two more right here. One here. One here. I didn't mark one in the middle, but I don't think I need it. Alright, now all you do is take this, and we're going to put biscuits in it. Now put your biscuit joiner up there. Make sure that you can make the cut. Okay, gonna have to have more light, so I'll turn on my other light that I put up. And then there's a mark, a red mark in here, and you just line that up with the previous mark that you made with your pencil. Now I have to mark both sides. Okay. Might have to clean out this port right here, get some of the chips out. You have to hold this fence down onto the wood. Now, if you look at these slots, they are not exactly centered on this edge from here to here, but that's not important. What is important is that you get them in there. Okay, now I'm going to put this one down here. Now this is Gorilla Glue, but it's clear. To assure that this glue gets on the whole biscuit, take it, put it in there, then turn it around and put it back in. Make sure it is centered in the slot as much as possible. Then you might have to take a nail, spread the glue out a little, and also so you can see your slot. Okay, now if you forget which side is which, and you don't know how the two pieces are supposed to be oriented, look at the pencil marks. I've got pencil marks here and pencil marks over here. So, match them up. Now these kind of clamps, these pipe clamps, if you want to put a clamp on the outside, that's okay. But as you can see, I got both mine underneath. Make sure your boards are flat down on your pipes. And then you got to remember that the glue is squeezed out on the bottom and it's going to drip all over your bench. I don't like glue on my bench, so I take this glued up panel and put it out of the way. Don't tighten it real tight. If you tighten it real tight, all the glue is going to come out of the joint. With this level and look at it, I would say it's sticking up maybe 1/4 of an inch. Okay, well, there's several approaches that I can do here. I can notch it out. That would take care of partly of this area here where one corner's cut off. But this is basically what I'm going to put on top here. And I don't care about the condition. I sanded it really smooth and nice and everything. This is oak. This is pine. I don't care. So it'll be something like this. Measure between these two tires. I'll mark it down on this board up here, the whiteboard, 14 5/8. All you have to do is subtract the two. So this, you got to think of it this way. I want to convert 3/4. I want to convert it to 1/8. So it's 6/8. 6/8. All right. And so I've marked that over here. Perfect. So you subtract 5/8 from 6/8, you get 1/8, and then 1 inch. So now you have to divide 1 inch and 1/8 evenly, half and half. So this is 1/2 inch plus a 16. Now that's how I do it. So what I want to do here is I'm going to just take 1 inch off each end. That'll be plenty of clearance then. And then I'm going to center this thing over these two things here. So I'll have to measure the board and Since it's not quite totally square, it's 15 3/4 at one end and 15 11/16 at the other. So just center that over this area. Okay, this area between here and here and here and here is about 15, but I want it to set back a little bit onto the area where the tires are going to be. And I think on the front I may put some casters there, so I'll have to make some sort of a platform for the casters.